Welcome back to Sales Tips. I'm Christopher Beasley. Today's tip, learn how to listen. Sounds simple enough, doesn't it? But this is highly important because all of the information that you'll need to properly sell your customer will be given to you by the customer. So that means that you've got to be fully present, okay? In order to be fully present, any outside problem dealing with family, friends, or what have you, it has to be left at home, okay? And you'll have to deal with that either before you get to work or later on. But you don't want that affecting you while you're trying to sell, because then you can't really be there for your customer. Another thing you want to do is have a good meal that day. Because when you have a good meal, now you're not worried about your stomach. And another tip for that is have a little workout, even if it's a little mini workout, 10, 20 minutes, maybe on the bike or jogging in place or jumping rope. Just something to kind of prime you for the day and get your energy up, okay? So now when you're interfacing with your customer, you're 100% there with them and able to hear the information that they're giving you, okay? And this will pay dividends over time, all right? So it's something easy that you can do, and you definitely want to put that in your repertoire, okay? It's important. Along with listening, you also want to make sure that your body language reflects that you're listening to the customer. So you don't want to have your arms crossed. Stand straight up, look them in the eye with healthy eye contact, but don't overdo it. Maybe you'll have your hands clasped down in front of you, but that's about it. Now, another little tip that I've seen people use, and it can really pay off for you, is that right before you start asking questions and discovering, you'll let the customer know, hey, you know what? I want to grab a pencil and pad, and I'm going to jot down some notes while you're talking. I am listening to you, but I want to make sure I got everything. That's huge. That makes the customer feel like you truly care and not just trying to sell them something, okay? So definitely, add that to your repertoire. Go ahead and try that. Come back, put it in the comments section. Let me know how it works out for you, okay? You guys take it easy. Have a good one.